In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch to a cash account on Webull. Now, before we start, we highly recommend using the web version for this process because the desktop platform currently does not offer the option to change your account. If you see that the default account here, the drop-down doesn't offer the option for you to change from a margin account to a cash account. So we are going to quickly go to the web version and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the account. This will forward you to the pick your account type. Now, if you don't see the option to switch to a cash account, make sure your account is fully verified because if it's not, you'll need to finish your verification process first. Okay? Once verified, if you go to the account again, you'll see an option to sign up for a cash account. Okay? And all I have to do is provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Now you're all set up with a cash account on Webull. No more margin trading and you can start making your trades using only the funds in your account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to switch to a cash account on Webull. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.